The Bluebird Performance. You got over here the 84 millimeter crankshaft, full circle, 411 main, 411 off, all three, and with a factory case. A lot of machining, but it's work. Look, with the 6 end plate.
Nice.
It's good. Now we have to do the grid, everything. Stay tuned, Bluebird Performance. How you doing, guys? It's Bluebird Performance again. We got over here the crankshaft I talked about a couple of minutes ago. 84. I will show this for first time for public. See, different bearings, special edition for Bluebird Performance, and we do a damn plate like this. It's different. It's the crankshaft. You can see it's 411, and it's complete circle. That's a force crankshaft. This crankshaft is almost like a 1300. Only for the crankshaft.
Wow.
Yes, no Chinese. Made USA, la us. The best performance. Stay tuned.